Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan SE in white. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, roof rack, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, third row seating, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D6990A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.